of the beast from. Feelings for you would have fed long time. If me coulda go back in a time, I would change everything that is.
No when near you. Big dirty 4 and a button scare crown. Drop 3-5X then we top a premium. Boy them a try size. What can I say? I feel change. I make up for life. Jack Sparrow find a treasure with him. Champ.
G, nothing cheap, the front seat of a beauty up in on the beast. My story, fuck up, but you see when me reach. But buy anything me want, the killer.
She love, bad man she love, yeah, bad man she love. Your pussy fat inna your shot.
Yeah, come take a ride. Love it when you come round, make the killer smile. Nobody get to no clown, more killer guy. I'm a message.
The man yard, we are totally gone, go round out one bad. I can never take beer to move it, got the feedback, so where you get.
Good thing God got me. See it and you feel it. For me I come from. One phone call me GM, just make a million flat. I'm soon double that.
Years you think Kartel should I get?
Don't ask me that, man. Don't you dare ask me that. Don't you ever ask me that. I'm not the judge to make a decision. The judge making decision is not me, I try Kartel.
Third question, is there any dancehall or reggae act you think need to retire?
Oh, me if you tell you that, I'm your God. I'm giving them a career.
If you was going to be stranded on a desert island, tell the 3 things that you'd have bring.
Me nah go on a desert island. Me nah stranded out because me nah go depend on. So that the one wrong. Oh.
So another question them now. Have you ever been involved with somebody in the music industry?
Tua!
A female in the music industry? Any
No.
romantic involvement?
Every woman in the industry, I'm a friend them. I'm a sister them, I'm a co-worker them. When me want involved with the people them.
Emily Crooks.
Emily, whatever. Anywhere. When me I say Emily.
Are you clean?
Eh?
Never smoke anything before you came this morning?
Me smoke weed. You have a problem with that?
You smoke weed?
Yeah.
How you get it? Plant it?
A girl, you are a real informer, you know, man.
Emily. Have to keep correcting you. Where
you know, so you
plant it?
I feel like a union Keisha.
Eh? Your wife give you a problem?
Anyway, when me I say Emily.
Your wife give you problems?
You're too fast, Emily, man. I know that to come and deal with.
That's why I'm a journalist. I ask the question. That's what I do. Don't you know? I'm sure you expected this before you came here.
You know, say a man supposed to not like you.
Yeah?
Hey! Oh, na, 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 na. Oh, na, na. Can't I just want to tell you them this. Just don't make the Donn thing distract you from achieve what you're supposed to in school. It's very important because right now, me probably have people that write my songs them, some of them, and little more from now, half what me earn probably be for them, or probably little more from now you hear them cause I say them put me where me for them. So if you don't want to fall in the trap there, you have to learn the basic from now. You know what I mean? Use the Donn thing to motivate yourself and tell yourself that you don't want to be that person where literally done. You know what I mean? Because that's next to disabled. You know what I mean? So don't become a disabled student.
But you boy man here, not turn a foreign. Not turn a Bomba clot foreign. You don't want to live like I want bro. That guy sitting out here down with me. Why? It's not here. Jesus Christ. Guys, I want well. Call him. Hold on, guys. Get in line and call Captain.
All of a sudden, everybody turned on. You better learn that in any organization, it's only one Donn boy rule. And today I say to them, the door is open to retrieve your position. Take a candle, sing a sankey, and find your way back home.
We don't have no one down in the PNP. We have one leaders.
Of course I go win. What you mean for ask me if I go win? I look like a loser to you?
Jennifer Edwards is, I mean, some person say she has to go. She's not doing a good job.
It's not the first time the dome caught fire. I don't know if we had, or whatever government, when it had caught fire, the person was fired.
You're saying it's not in line with good law.
Push the microphone in line.
Mr. Shenseea, your government has so far failed to adequately explain how it is you're funding free health care for children.
Well, we're funding the health care from the budget. We found money. He is too smart. He told you to ask me that.
Mr. Shenseea, as Prime Minister, with respect, that's not an adequate explanation, unless you're telling us that you had money hanging around that was being wasted.
No, we have no money hanging around. The Minister of Health found some of the money, and the Minister of Finance found some of the money. Tell me something. I will not be dragged into your little lying, dirty, slimy trick. She wasn't there. She was nowhere near there until when they heard that the place was on fire. So I don't know why anyone would be calling for her head to roll. The only thing I'm going to do now is just give them a good whipping the night of the elections. Government expenditure as a share of GDP has been reduced. We are doing less with more money. I am traveling the world.
I understand that the Prime Minister will be traveling again.
Yes. We can't hold somebody responsible that we're not on the dump for the fire on the dump, because it's not the first time it caught fire. I expect to speak with full respect, and you should know better. Don't draw my tongue! Alright, watch! Election night. You need to come here. Election night, so we can hear one big thumb. When we win. What's the point? Well, I'm sure she wouldn't set the fire. If she had set the fire, she would be gone. Let me tell you something. You want to disturb, you can disturb. I don't trouble this girl! But this woman come here with the blood of Nanny of the Maroon. Because I don't afraid of no man, no girl.